What's the meaning of backwardness? Backwardness. Backwardness.
Backwardness. Backwardness. Backwardness is a term used to describe a state of being that is behind or deficient in comparison to others. It can refer to a lack of development, progress, modernity, education, technology, or infrastructure. This term is often used in reference to rural communities, developing countries, or marginalized populations who don't have access to the same opportunities as other groups. The concept of backwardness is often criticized as being a subjective and culturally biased view that perpetuates inequality and reinforces discrimination. Efforts are being made globally to address backwardness by promoting equal access to education, healthcare, technology, and other resources that can help improve quality of life.